തദന ആ തദന Welcome to the another episode of Raga Parijaya. Today I am going to introduce the very beautiful raga Shanmukha Priya. This is the 56th Melakarta raga, and this raga belongs to the 10th chakra in the 72 Melakarta scheme. The Swarasthanas are Shadjam, Chadushruti Rishabham, Sadharana Gandharam, Pratimadhyamam, Panchamam, Shuddha Daivadam and Kaishiki Nishadam. Sari ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga ri sa sari ga ma pa dha ni sa This is a Sampurna raga and a Sarvakalika raga. In Dikshita's Asampurna scheme, this raga known as Chamaran. This is a Murchana Karaka raga. While we are doing the Grahabheda in Gandhara, Panchama and Thaivada, we can get the ragas Shulini, Dhenuka and Chitrambari. In Hindu mythology believes that this raga is the most favorite of the Lord Subramanya. This raga evokes the Bhakti Rasa. There are a lot of compositions in this raga. Siddhi Vinayakam Anisham Chindaya Nyaham Prasiddha Gananayakam Vishishtardradayakam Varam Siddhi Vinayakam Anisham Mamava Karunaya Marohola Lalama Karunaya Marohola Lalama Mava Karunaya Sharavana Bhavayenum Tirumandiram Tannil Sada Japiyanave Muttai Taruvatti Tirunagayattai Kiri Satti Charavana Muttu Koruvitta Guru Parayanai Podum Gopika Vasandam Tedi Vanamali Nava Nava Gopika Vasandam Tedi Vanamali In Manamurugum Virahatavamariyadenni Gopika Vasandam Te